Hello, this is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist, showing you how to make an all-natural, non-abrasive cleaner. This cleaner is made with only 2 ingredients, baking soda and borax. While you may be familiar with baking soda, borax is not new to cleaning. Borax is an amazing cleaner that oxidizes stains. For this, you'll need 1 cup of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of borax, a funnel, a shaker-style jar that has a lid to close it, as well as holes for pouring, easy pouring, and a label, so you know what you did after you make it. To start, you're going to be mixing your baking soda. You want to make sure there's no lumps. Then you're going to add in your 1/4 cup of borax and stir that really well. This cleaner can actually be used on a multiple of surfaces. From bathtubs to tile to toilets, it'll even clean hard water stains. Once the baking soda and borax is thoroughly combined, you want to use your funnel to put it in your container. At this point, if you wanted to add in a couple drops of essential oil, you could and make it even antibacterial. Tea tree oil is a favorite of mine. Once you get your baking soda into the jar, you want to put a lid on it, and don't forget your label. Once you label it, you're going to put it right with your other cleaners. I hope I've motivated you to clean your bathroom. This is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist, showing you how to make an all-natural, non-abrasive cleaner.